Okay, Rick, you talked about your budget earlier, $11,000 budget in this type of house, trying to open it up, air it out, make it look clean, give it some appeal. But when I look at that kind of nominal budget, you're talking about putting in granite countertops. Why?
Yeah, you know, in this particular market, the reality is most of the actual people that are selling homes, what they'll do is they'll keep the Formica countertops and they'll just try to patch things up. When I'm looking at a property like this and we can restore the cabinets and we're going to put a nice backsplash for the finish, I want to beat my competition. And if you were to take a look at this particular kitchen, which is a very small kitchen actually, the countertops in Formica would probably cost me about $700 to $800. The cost for the granite in this house is about $1,100. I'm willing to go that extra step because it gives me a cutting edge. It's a small effect, but it's a big impact to the end user. Why? Because media is pushing this new look, this new feel on the marketplace. And that's what people are looking for. They're looking for something that's modern, granite countertops. All the little HGTV Dream Home shows and everything else that you see shows granite countertops. So why can't a median home price offer that kind of product? And that's the reason why many times when we get done with a place like this, after the nice backsplash, stainless steel appliances, the granite finish, which yes, it is a step further, but for an additional couple $100, I now create the feel, I now create the emotion of what people want. And that's the reason why when we put a property like this on the marketplace, many times people will overbid the price, or they will close it in a week or two or put it in a contract instantly because they don't want to lose out on the fact that they have a fully finished house at a reasonable price in the marketplace. So it's my little trick to continue to compete against all the others and then just have the extra edge so that my house sells faster than anybody else.